guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this autumn nail art tutorial along with the Take 2 wrap tutorial. Now if you've never heard of Take 2 wraps before, they are a base coat film. You can use them under gel, acrylic, anything you want really, and they are so easy to remove. You literally just pop them off with a little bit of acetone and there's no damage to the nail, so they are perfect if you are learning to do nails and you want to practice on yourself, or if you are doing any nail artwork for anything like a photo shoot. So to apply the Take 2 wraps, my nails are already prepped with the cuticles pushed back and just the top of the nail just slightly etched. So on the Take 2 wrap, you have a ton of different film sizes and you just want to measure your finger up against the sizes, and it's always better to go a little bit too big than a little bit too small. Once you found the right size, you just want to peel that off the sheet, peel back the first layer of plastic and then apply it to the nail, pressing down using a lint-free wipe just to make sure that there are no creases or little air bubbles. Next, I'm just going in and sculpting my nails as I normally would. I'm not going to talk too much over this part as it's quite sort of explanatory, and I have a lot of other videos where you can see me sculpting and explaining how I do that. So I will leave you be to enjoy this portion of the video.
I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back? Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry, just because I just saw that you're out with somebody new. I should have known that something will be coming soon. I'm sorry if you thought that you could make me mad. Maybe you're the one who can't move past this. I know the truth can kinda hurt. The sum of you and someone else no isn't your worth. I thought that I could take you at your word, but instead I got my feelings burned. And now my heart is broken into two. I have half but the other one is still with you. And I wish I could get it back, yeah. But I don't wanna text you that, even though it's over now. I thought that I'd be stressed out, yeah. But I've been doing just fine, so please don't waste my time. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. I wish you could understand that. Just because you're sorry doesn't mean you love me. Why should I take you back?
Once you're all done with your nails and you are ready to remove them, I'm just using an orange wood stick here with a little chisel end. I am soaking it in acetone and then I'm just really gently rubbing that around the whole cuticle area, around the edges, trying to get a little bit of acetone underneath the wrap. After playing around with that just a little bit, it will pop off really easily. There is zero damage and they are just absolutely perfect. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!